This is the kicker. As I said, I'm looking to see on a daily chart, do we close below? So we confirmed above. So again, this is trying to be as unbiased as I can, guys. Regardless of me still being short, I still have to be an unbiased trader as much as I can. When we're looking at the chart, the daily, we closed above here, right? And we confirmed here. Now, again, we are now trading below. If we close here today, then Bitcoin's in major trouble.
In this video, Gareth will delve into his insights regarding whether we will close below on the daily chart, the significance of confirmation above for the market, and how he maintains an unbiased perspective despite being short. Additionally, Gareth will address the pressing question of whether Bitcoin is facing major trouble. Join Gareth in this interview as he discusses these topics and more. Before we continue with the rest of the video, do check out daily 5-minute crypto newsletter with all the latest crypto and Bitcoin news. It's a fantastic analysis of on-chain crypto data and breakdowns, and the best part is it's absolutely free. They'll cover expert predictions, breakdowns of on-chain crypto data, and any breaking news you need to know, all in a nutshell. Click the first link in the description and enter your email to join over 50,000 others in becoming a better crypto investor right now.
Let's join Gareth in this interview about these topics and more.
Bitcoin currently trading at 67,750 approximately. We are back below that key technical level. All right, now this is the kicker. As I said, I'm looking to see on a daily chart, do we close below? So we confirmed above. Now, again, we are now trading below. If we close here today, it doesn't negate the breakout yet until you confirm that. Then you're in trouble. Then Bitcoin's in major trouble. Now, listen, is it still okay that it's trading below 69? Well, it's not ideal, let's be honest, right? You know, so many people, by the way, this is another lesson I learned the hard way many, many times over, is that there was this thing going on social media like, oh, when Bitcoin breaks above 69, it's going to rip up because every past bull market has just gone straight to the moon. As soon as I hear everyone saying that, I'm like, dude, it's probably going to reverse, right? When you have the masses joining all in euphoria, that's when it goes the other way. And by the way, I used to be the masses, and sometimes I am still. But it's learning that the hard way by taking so many losses early in my career that I'm like, wait a minute, maybe this doesn't actually work when everyone else is pointing it out. In fact, I still remember when we were above 70, I still remember some of the biggest young names on X. They're like, oh, you know, this is a breakout. We're going to go higher. These shorts are idiots. You know, now that we're above 70, it's all clear. And in my head, I'm like, dude, you know, you guys, you know, these youngins, right? I mean, I feel like, yeah, I'm an old geezer in this world, even though I'm only 43 years old. But I've traded for, again, 25 years, going back to basically when I was 18, 19 years old. But again, what I learned is that breakouts, things don't always happen the way they happened before. And the best traders are ones that are aware of that. And you have to be aware. And when you see a lot of these young whippersnappers kind of saying, oh, this is a no-brainer, I'm like, dude, I thought that too back 20 years ago. And I got my head handed to me in the dot-com bubble and in multiple bull markets in different things after that. I still remember being short Taser at one point and just getting crushed on it way too early and just, you know, anyways, it is what it is. But lessons learned. And again, my education, my learning, excuse me, my learning is hopefully what you guys can take away and ultimately, you know, learn from me without making the same mistakes. Okay, so the daily needs to confirm below 69.2 really. Then the weekly, I want to see the weekly close on Bitcoin.
In the dynamic crypto market, investors grapple with profit-taking and bullish trends while navigating price fluctuations and technical signals across digital assets. Ethereum's climb towards $4,000 slows, prompting profit-taking and a dip below $3,700, intensifying the struggle between bulls and bears around the $3,600 support level. A rebound from this point could propel Ethereum towards $4,000, while a breakdown might lead to a deeper correction towards $3,200. Bitcoin experiences a pullback amidst its uptrend, with traders capitalizing on gains, while maintaining bullish sentiment near key Fibonacci retracement levels. Solana's strong uptrend faces a potential correction as the RSI suggests overbought conditions, presenting possible buying opportunities around the 20-day EMA at $142. However, breaching this level could lead to a decline towards the breakout level of $126. XRP encounters resistance near 74 cents, struggling against selling pressure and indicating a consolidation phase within the $0.50-$0.74 range. Meanwhile, Cardano faces selling pressure near 80 cents, with bears defending higher levels, resulting in a retreat towards the breakout level of 68 cents. A rebound from this point could signify continued buying interest, with resistance at 80 cents and potential upside towards 92 cents.
Great calls at this point, but I just want to point out, yesterday I showed you guys this chart of near. We had this level, I showed this level, and I said, guys, near should pull back. Look at the red candle. That's charts. That's charts. You know, that's astrology for men, as they say, right? All right, so let's go to Avalanche. I talked about this one yesterday. I said, all right, Avalanche, you just went up to that same sort of trend line. You should get a pullback. We went right up there, pulled back. Where was support? Previous high pivot. Where did Avalanche find support? Right there. So again, my point is just to be aware, charts by no means are infallible. They are higher percentage. Essentially what I say is you get to be the casino. When you use charts, you are the casino versus the gambler. The gambler goes into the casino, they're going to generally lose. If they play 100 hands of XYZ or whatever, you know, the casino will win more and the loser, the gambler will lose more, lose more essentially. But when you're talking about charts, you want to be the house. You want to be the casino. You want to win more than not. And that's where charts come into play. And that's why I've dedicated my life to teaching them, frankly. Okay, gold pulling back just a little bit today, guys. I only have a couple more minutes. But again, gold pulling back here just a little bit. Keep that in mind. I still think, again, a retrace down here or even up a little bit here is a good buying opportunity on that. And then silver, same thing. Silver's, again, testing my trend line here. Still hasn't broken out. But again, let's watch and see. Maybe silver does break out. It is right up against a resistance line. Oil confirmed. We know oil confirmed yesterday. All right, so it's a confirmed breakout now. Upside target is your $85-ish level. We are getting a small pullback today. But again, small pullbacks are actually healthy. It's a digestion period. Let's just say you just ran a marathon. You know, this is a marathon, right? These two up candles that confirmed. You can't just keep running a marathon. That makes you extended. That makes you likely to collapse. What the best thing to do is you're pausing, you're pulling back slightly, you're refueling, you're eating, you're getting your strength back so you can run your next marathon up. That's what consolidation does for charts. It's actually a really healthy thing. I know no one wants to see that, right? When you're in a trade, you just want to see, you know, up, and away. But the problem is when you do that, you get these big pullbacks, right? Instead, when general, and by the way, the big pullbacks, the negative of them is that emotionally they trigger things in people which scare them. The best thing to do is up and then sideways. Digest it, right? Which is a bull flag, and then you get that next move to the upside. All right.
A Bitcoin whale, referred to as Mr. 100, has emerged as a topic of significant interest. This entity has amassed a substantial amount of Bitcoin, sparking questions and theories about their identity and motivations. In a notable development, El Salvador, under President Nayib Bukele's leadership, has taken a significant step by increasing its Bitcoin reserves and transferring a significant portion to a cold wallet. This action signifies a pivotal moment in the country's embrace of cryptocurrency. For more daily dose crypto news, check out these two awesome videos on your screen. Click now and we will see you on the next video.